Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's taking some time to make a really pretty leaf and they sent it to me, but they can't figure out how to trim without just taking and manipulating the nodes, which there's a lot of nodes on these veins. They need the veins to be inside. They beveled it. So let's move the veins out of the way. There's not much you can do with a bevel layer, but what we can do is go to object and break the bevel apart. And then underneath there is going to be your normal leaf that you had before. And you can see this is where he got his veins and they look perfect. So what we need to do is we need to left click, right click, and get an outline. Now let's open up the object, or excuse me, effects and contour. Now our contour is taken away. It's not highlighted. There's something wrong with this curve. Well, it's actually somehow it's a lens effect. But the way you can fix that is take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Move that out of the way, and you see now our contour is highlighted. Left click, right click. I'm going to contour the inside 0.01. I'm going to go up to object, break the contour apart. Whoop. That's what happens when you have the Smart Fill tool still selected. I'm going to take that inside contour. I'm going to move over to our veins. And now I'm going to intersect that. And that made our veins smaller. And now he can put them on his pretty good job of a bevel for a leaf. I mean, if you were going to print it. So now your veins are exactly where they need to be. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.